My fur baby just turned 2 the other day, and I don't really know how to feel about it. Like, of course I want him to grow and get big and strong, but I don't know if I want him to get older. Like, he's gonna be my baby forever. And we just had such a fun day. We took a walk with his sister and my mom slash his Grammy. And we just had a fun day, honestly. Just a chill, relaxing day. We also got him a little cake from this dog bakery place. And he loved it. I had the hardest time blowing out his candles, but he loved it. He crushed it at the end. And then, of course, we gave some to his sissy as well. And I had to just give him a couple more kisses because he's just growing up.